Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Now a lot of people were asking me why would America die screaming in 2021? This is part of the Viking Ho series. Everybody always cracks of it. Where's the Viking Ho, Uncle Al? Okay, hidden messages. Right now they're using a lot of puppets, Manchurian candidates. Okay, pull the string, pull the string, pull the string, and they're shooting up innocent people. These are called Manchurian candidates. Go ask Ray. Because they program people by certain means, post office workers, federal X workers. I know how they program them. Because a lot of people don't listen to Uncle Al. Okay? It's really easy to program a person to shoot up an area because once you set in their minds what they're doing is just, nothing will stop them. So understand that, folks. 85% of you are programmed as a Manchurian candidate. Okay? It just says a keyword from one of your strings. Pull the string! And then you can set off and kill. Go to school, shoot up a little classroom of little kids. Go nuts, shoot up a bank. Go nuts, shoot up a mall. Because they know the trigger keys to your personality. This is why I tell people to read, to understand, and lay off on the phones. Okay? This is from 1949. First publication of his novel, 1984, by George Orwell. He stated, in the future, people will not revolt. They will not look up from their screens long enough to notice what is happening. This is from 1949, and it's in the book. Go read 1984. Don't PDF it, folks. Get a real book and read it. Because sometimes they correct China, Russia, Venezuela, certain passages out of 1984. Okay? The people will not revolt. They will not look up from their screens, okay, long enough to notice what is happening. This is the current state of America. America dies screaming in 2021. Too many of you are staring at this all the time, and you're just looking at it blindly. You know, porn, sports, entertainment, flipping things on Tinder, you name it. You're on your phone forever. Okay, that's a great program. The next day, I have received a message on my phone. I will kill everybody. Remember what I said, folks. Manchurian candidate. Pull the string. Okay, and you have a nice day, folks.